This year, the International Builder Show and Kitchen and Bath Show was in Vegas. And with only 6 days before we bulldoze our house and start building a new one, I wanted to come and get some ideas. And this is a complete game changer by Pfister Faucets. You can actually change the shower head in and out, which makes installation super easy. And of course, you cannot beat Revis Shelf to accessorize your kitchen or your bathroom. They think of literally everything, especially this, taking your blind cabinet and actually now making it functional. And take a look at this bathtub from Kohler. It literally is a waterfall on all 4 sides. It almost has me reconsidering adding a bathtub to our primary bathroom. And you guys know I'm all about my hidden doors, so Murphy doors definitely did not disappoint. And I am absolutely obsessed with this front door. I can totally picture it at my new house, so I might have to try to talk Vinny into this one. And this massive sliding door did not disappoint either. I love how you can just open it all the way. And this front door is also a top contender, but I'm just not sure how functional it would be with the kids. This was at the Wilson Art booth, and I just fell in love with that quartz. And these Kutch appliances definitely do not disappoint. If you guys remember my blue stove, this is the same exact one, but in white. And they also have this huge pizza oven, which I think would be so cool for outside. And Ruvati has this bar sink, which I think is perfect for the coffee bar. It has a built-in glass rinser. And what's that saying? What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
I'm renovating my friend's entire house for her on a budget. I love how you can take inexpensive subway tiles and just lay them at a different pattern, and it gives you a high-end look. What helped me the most was I made a template on the floor and pretty much pre-cut all of the tiles beforehand. It really made the entire process go a lot smoother. And another tricky thing with the herringbone is finding the actual center, so that way the right side and the left side look exactly the same. On the right and left wall, I'm going to do this larger format 12 by 24 white tile. So now here's 24 hours later, I took all of those horseshoe spacers out and I'm just cleaning off all of the tile. And I'm being super picky cleaning between every single tile with a grout brush because I'm going to be putting black grout and I don't want any of that white thinset showing through. I'm using the thinset color Midnight Black, and I was kind of freaking out because that looks like it's blue, so I'm really hoping that it turns out black. When you're applying grout, it can be a little bit messy, so that's why I have the tub covered, but you're just going to want to take your sponge and kind of dampen your tiles beforehand, and then use your grout float to apply the grout at like a 45-degree angle. Then you're going to wait a couple of minutes, and then you're going to take it off at a 90-degree angle. So now this is about an hour later, and I'm just going back in with my sponge again, just giving the tiles another wipe down to get all that haze off.